Okay, hello everyone. This is Faria. So again, I'm trying to go live. I'm from Beauty Fit, wherein I'm helping women just to have a healthy lifestyle, because it's very important to understand weight loss is not just about losing weight. It is it is about it is not about how you have to look. It's not about just your waistline. It is about how you can be healthy. It's about your health. No matter what is going to happen will happen, but what is in your hands, you should try to do that. So how do I bring them on camera? Okay, Kainat, you have to help me. I don't know. But yeah, any questions, just yeah, shoot. So basically, I've got over 200 ladies now in my group. I'm trying to just help them. It's very simple. Okay, you're watching. Mm-hmm. If if you tell me you want to come on camera, I can tap it, I think. If you want to come on camera, let me know. Hey Preeti, hey Badar, hey Husna, Safura. Thank you, Kainat, thank you. Okay, Husna wants to join in. Let me see. Okay. Let me know who wants to join. That's amazing. Oh, Husna, you declined it. Okay. So, basically, what I was saying is, okay, Anusha wants to join. Anusha, approve. Okay. Hello, Rabia. Um, Fatima Mubashir, Safura. So nice. Thank you. Ask your questions. So basically, and anything you don't understand, just ask me. I'll repeat. This is my first time. I'm just trying to help. So what is important? It is important to understand that how your healthy lifestyle works. What is very important? For example, timing plays a very important part. You may be doing the right thing, but maybe not at the right time. For example, right after your workout, until 40 half an hour to 45 minutes, your body absorbs the food best. So you have to, hello, uh, who want to add in? So your body absorb the food best. So what you eat after workout is very important. So you should eat really high protein after workout. So these kind of little things add on to your healthy lifestyle, like not eating after 5, for example, because your body, the later you eat, your metabolism does slow down. And when it's later in the night, your hunger hormones are awake. And when you are sleep deprived, your you get more stressed, and your stress hormones are increasing. So all of this, I think someone is adding. Please ask question whatever you want. Aapke desi totke, I will help you with that as well. So yeah, so that's why Fatima, Shabina, hello. So so nice, all of you have joined. It's very nice to see you all. um yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, not everyone has to uh Aska, hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. So not everyone has to follow intermittent fasting, for example. Or I wouldn't what I do is, I wouldn't even call it as intermittent fasting. I just watch my carbs. I don't have carbs after 5. I'll tell you how this started. Like, when I was in early 20s, I never knew what are carbs. I never ever watched what I was eating. Hello. Morning skincare routine. Okay, after this I will tell you mornings. Hello Anusha. Morning skincare routine, I'll tell you after this. So I was around. I used to be like just a medium size girl at that age, even when I got married. Then gradually put on weight, and I went up to 72 kgs. And that's when Kaina Tumer Aliza, hello. And that's when I realized, just at the age of 24, I am getting short of breath. I look like I'm 45. And I just thought, no, I can't be living like that. And I'm more, hello Fatima, and I'm more healthier and happier, positive now than I was in my early 20s. Um, More than how you look, it's more important for your health. Look after your health, like being a homemaker, being a mother, and working. You do more than a, no offense, but women do much more than men do. You all will agree. So it's very important to look after yourself. It's very, very important. Faize, hello. So it's very important to look after yourself. And once we have children, we get married, or we are busy in our life, we just forget about ourselves, and then we like the things kind of go out of control. Why? जब आप अपने अपने लोगों को, अपने बच्चों को, हस्बैंड को आप इतना ख्याल रखते हैं, अपना क्यों नहीं रख सकते? Self care is very important. Okay, I'll go on to the morning routine. It really depends on your skin type, but generally I would really recommend you apply a vitamin C serum. So you clean your face. I don't use a face wash every day. I just sometimes, a little tip, I just sometimes like take aloe vera gel, coffee, sugar, and just rub it and scrub it on my face. I do that. Very rarely I use face wash. So whatever you use, you just clean your face well. And also you can use coconut water if that suits you. Nosheen, Adnan, hello, assalamu alaikum. And then vitamin, when you use a serum, okay, when you use a serum, don't rub onto your face. You should tap it always, okay? Don't rub, and let it dry. Nishat, Fatima, hello, assalamu alaikum. And tap it, okay? Tap it, let it dry. I am a big fan of rose water. You can mix any serum in rose water, shake it, and spray it all over your face. So you just get an extra boost of hydration on your face. And then use, hello Fatima, and whoever wants to come on the camera, let me know. It will be fun. So let me close the laptop, is distracting me. So once you use your serum, whatever, even if you don't, that's fine. And then use a moisturizer. Generally hydrating moisturizer is better. Okay, so and and also like hydrating moisturizer and sunscreen is very, very important. We think Shahzadi Malik, assalamu alaikum, hello. We think that we should only use sunscreen when we are going in hot sunny weather, but that's not true. Why do you get pigmentation, the black spots on your face? That is because of the sun. That is the sun damage. The lighter your skin is, the more you will see it, because of the increase in melanin. So lighter skin have less melanin. So it's very, very important. You can use a sunscreen. What kind of coffee to use for? Okay, one second. So you should use yeah, sunscreen. If it's too much work for you, just use a moisturizer that has at least SPF 25 in it. Slowly it will go. Okay. And then even at home in the daytime, even your natural light can give you skin damage. So you don't see it so much when you are very young, but as we grow, we see it more. Yeah. So it's very, very important to put sunblock. Okay. And so there are two kinds of sunblock. One is chemical. You might get just scared of it. One second, I'll answer that. Okay, so you just getting a bit distracted. Okay, so chemical one absorbs in the skin better. The other one, mineral, is where you see the white residue. Don't get scared of the chemical one, because you need that for your face. You need that. Those are not harmful chemicals. You can just check according to your skin. I quite like the Claudely one. Okay, so instant coffee you can use, and coffee is very good for the pigmentation as well. You will instantly see brightness. And if you use normal sugar, it will be a little harsh scrub. You can use brown sugar, that will be like little bit milder. I like to use brown sugar. And rose water and serum, it's better you put in the fridge, and I think it should be okay for 3 months. But check the serum should be water consistency. Some are oily as well, so just make sure what it is. It's just, some, like, I'm not in too much into chemical stuff. I am more into natural stuff. You can ask me any totke, I will try to help you. Okay. Hello, Fatima Shabina, assalamu alaikum. Hello. So yeah, you can use that, and spray bottle is the best. You just get the extra boost of hydration. Apart from, I always say, if you have any issue related to weight or skin care deficiency, hair problems, look at the root cause of it, rather than the main, what to apply on top. So what goes inside will show you outside. So I would say, for anything, it depends what you take in. Make sure you are very, very, very well hydrated. Okay, my Beauty Fit team knows we love smoothies. So smoothies are best for beautiful skin, hair, body, any deficiencies. So yeah. Hello, Dr. Sidra Saida. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. The sun is out, so that's nice. So yeah, go on. Yeah, I'm just any more questions? Go on. So yeah, and also one important thing, like, have you heard about the Japanese glass face? Inspired by that, I will tell you this face scrub. Red kidney beans, rajma. आप उसको कॉफी ग्राइंडर में ग्राइंड करिए, उसमें मिल्क मिलाइए, और आप उसको फेस मास्क बनाइए. उसके बाद आप अपना कमाल देखिए चेहरे का. आई डोंट यूज फाउंडेशन. सी, आई मीन, जो भी है यही है. आई हैव मेकअप, लेकिन वेल, फाउंडेशन डजंट सूट मी. सो या. How about T3? Shazia Shah, Fatima, hello, assalamu alaikum. Dr. Sita, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, tea tree is very good for pigmentation. आप ingredients check करिए. Okay. It depends really on your skin type. Okay. आप बता सकते हैं what are your concerns. I will help you. जल्दी जल्दी करिए, जल्दी. बॉइल्ड नहीं, नॉर्मल रॉ राजमा दूध में मिलाकर. एंड द अदर थिंग इज रॉ राजमा with rose water and 2 drops of lemon. वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. Clears your skin very well. Okay. And okay. Yeah. I was trying to get it on the laptop, लेकिन नहीं हो रहा था, so I'm on the phone. Any more questions? Yeah, so I will continue with what I was saying. So after when I was in early 24 something, can we just mix any night cream in rose? No, because night cream, no, Anusha, because the consistency is completely different. So I wouldn't recommend that. Although rose water just before the night cream or day cream will give you just very good hydration. Just get an organic one, natural rose water. I've said to my Beauty Fit team, please join our Beauty Fit team if you want to not just lose weight, be healthy, be happy, be positive, have a healthy lifestyle. For dark bags. Okay. So इसके पहले मैं क्या कह रही थी? Okay. Well, oh my god. देखो, so yeah, I lost like 20 kgs in 3-4 months, and since then I have like learned that lifestyle is so important. It keeps you so positive, happy. I'll come to the dark circles. No, don't just grind it. Don't pressure cook the rajma. Just grind it. This is a tip. आपने कहीं नहीं सुना होगा, लेकिन आप उसको दूध के साथ, अगर आपको मिल्क सूट नहीं करता है, do it with yogurt. I did it with milk, and you will instantly see the glow. So, yeah, and one more thing, I always tell my Beauty Fit team, running running and green smoothies. These two will, sort your life forever. Okay. In morning before applying moisturizer, when I wash my face, my skin is getting drier. Mia John, hello, welcome. Okay, first I will go to the dark circles. Okay. I am someone who has probably tried every expensive and every cheap night cream. Okay. Uh, okay. So I would say डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए आप पोटैटो लीजिए, उसको ग्रेट करिए, ग्रेट द पोटैटो, squeeze the juice and mix just a pinch of turmeric. Sadia Yusuf, hello. Okay, Shaila, because your name is coming as Mia John. Okay. Naya Bali. Okay. So हाँ, आप पोटैटो को ग्रेट करिए, उसके बाद में आप उसको कॉटन पैड से आंखों के नीचे ऐसे लगाइए, हाफ करके कॉटन पैड को, जस्ट लीव इट लाइक दैट. You will see the difference in few weeks, because potato is a natural bleaching agent. So is tomato. Okay. Another tip is you can also make them into ice cubes, और रोज शाम में आप फेस पे रब करिए. Rubbing ice cubes improves your blood circulation and also closes your open pores. So it tightens your skin. Okay, so it's very good to rub anyway. Plain ice cubes also very good. Yes, Anusha, rose water, glycerine and lemon. ये मेरा मम्मी का बचपन का टोटका है. रोज वाटर, ग्लिसरीन एंड लेमन स्प्रे बॉटल में मैं जिंदगी भर यही लगाकर बड़ी हुई हूँ. रात में कॉटन से लगा लेती थी, and nothing after that. So that is the best, because my mom still says that is the best. Okay. And the other question was, which is the best moisturizer and sunscreen? तो moisturizer आप अपने skin, सहर फाइजान, hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. So moisturizer आप अपने skin type से यूज के हिसाब से यूज करिए. Over 30, I would say, definitely. And if your skin is normal like me, like no pigmentation ya kuch, so you can just use hydrating moisturizer. There are so many in the market for hair fall. Okay. Samira, can someone please help Samira join, because I have to then switch. She has messaged on BeautyFit. Please help her. She has to join on the group, please. Yeah, not glycerine is not glycerine is good for every skin. That's correct. You have to know your skin well. But so when glycerine doesn't suit you, you have to reduce and the quantity of glycerine and increase the rose water quantity. Some people also don't suit lemon, so it really depends. Another thing, if you have oily skin, pigmentation. Okay, so what you can do, one thing is you can make a toner, like आप green tea लीजिए, make green tea like normal. Okay, I'll tell you about hair fall. Make green tea like normal, but leave it as it is for like 4 to 6 hours, and then put it in the spray bottle and few drops of rose hip essential oil. Okay, it's very good for migraine as well. Put it in the fridge, and then you can use it on your face and also your towel dried hair. It's very good for detangling, very good for the hair shine and face as well. Anybody can use that. So this will also give you hydration. You can also add rose water in it. Okay, hair fall ke liye, for hair fall it's Zeenat, Juneja, Noshin, uh, Kainat. Someone is waiting to join. Please help. Thank you, Kainat. Sorry for the trouble. Uh, okay, hair fall ke liye, you can make onion oil at home. Okay, this one has really helped so many people. Whoever I've said, I know that you can easily get onion oil outside as well, but I personally don't prefer that. You can make it like you have to grind onion with coconut oil. Okay, you can also add methi. Then you take like how you cook in the big kadai. You can take mustard oil, castor oil, almond oil. Okay, any oil you can take. I prefer these, and then put that mixture onto this. Cook it well. Okay, once it's done, just put 2 spoons of coffee powder, because then the onion smell is gone, and coffee is also very good for your hair. The caffeine is very good for your hair. Kulsum, okay, Sahiba, walaikum salam. Welcome. So coffee is very good for hair as well. So once you think it's done, let it, just leave it for 4 to 6 hours like that. Okay? And then strain it with muslin cloth and put it in the bottle. And you can use it at least 2 hours before you wash your hair, or you can use it anytime. Basically, you will see the difference. And also when you, yeah, green tea and rose water is very good. Yes, you can try that for face. And green tea, that same toner, that same thing, the spray you can use for your hair as well. Yeah, so once you strain it, you can use it. So it's very important to use this regularly. Okay, and get your oils which are organic and natural. Try to get them, I normally try to get them from Holland and Barrett or Amazon, wherever you can. Yeah, so this is very good. And then the same similar thing, you can also try hair pack with onion, egg. Farali, hello. So with onion, eggs, and but if it's too much of a hassle, just use this oil, and this will help. Tanveer, hello, assalamu alaikum. And also make sure whatever shampoo you use a sulfate-free shampoo. Okay. Ah. So, okay, moisturizer, as I said, hydrating is good, but if you have a sensitive skin, just see. So there are so many brands, like I have quantity. No, Aska, Assalamualaikum. Quantity, I don't such measure the quantity, but you can just do it according to it will work. You don't have to add the coffee powder, but the thing is, you will not look like a biryani when you put the oil on your. You will not smell like a biryani. I mean, once you put the onion oil, if you add the coffee powder, it will just take away the smell, and plus the coffee powder is very good for your hair as well. Okay, so and yeah, and also for your hair, Tayaba and Anjum, hello, assalamu alaikum. Wants to be in my video? Yes, whoever wants to be in my video, please join in. That will be fun. Please. I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know that. So, Sobia Sattar, Farali, hello, hello, hello. Yeah, any other question regarding lifestyle or hello everyone. So yeah, what I was saying is, आप ऊपर से कुछ भी लगा ले, but what goes inside will eventually show you the results. So that's why our beauty fit team is a smoothie fit team. We all love smoothies, and we all love walking and running. So these two things give us a smile and bring smile to our life. So you will see this dark circles will disappear as well. Your hair will become better because what happens is, why do I recommend smoothie? I have said in my group before, like when we chew food, uh, only the food that is chewed completely is absorbed well, and that is converted into energy. Okay, so the food that we are not chewing well, which I know I'm not, I'm a very fast eater, that will result into bloating or sits in your belly. So that's why what happens when you have smoothies, you're directly converting into energy. So you are getting the maximum benefits, but just by drinking smoothies. Okay, any other question which I have missed? Hello, hello, hello. Any other question? Any other question? Where is everyone? If no question, I will go now. Okay, someone is coming. Someone is coming. Uh, okay, so okay. फेस पर एक्ने के निशान है. सो अगेन वन मोर थिंग आई विल से, आप आटा लीजिए, नॉर्मल आटा, मिक्स मिल्क इन इट, एंड अप्लाई ऑन योर फेस. हाँ, अप्लाई ऑन योर फेस, दैट यू कैन ट्राई. Apart from that, coffee powder really helps with acne marks. Okay, and potato. If you already have acne, but don't do this if you feel it doesn't suit you. You have to take garlic, cut it from between, and then just touch it wherever it is. Okay, and leave it just on the point where your acne is. But if it burns or anything, just stop. Okay, and always I would say the nishan, the spots, like I in summer I started going running outside, and I started getting pigmentation on my nose, and although I was using sunscreen, but the sun damage, and using then the stronger sunscreen, I felt it makes a difference. And also using hello Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, okay, sirf nishan hai. And also specifically green smoothie. Anjum Saeed, are you asking? Are you asking? Yeah. So uh, if you have the just the spots on your face, आपके चेहरे पे निशान है, तो आप जो मैंने बोला कि आप कॉफी पाउडर का स्क्रब यूज करिए. होमी खान, हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. तो आप कॉफी पाउडर का स्क्रब यूज करिए. If you don't want to make it a scrub, you can also mix it with honey and yogurt, uh, and face mask. जब yogurt अगर why I'm saying yogurt is, many people I've heard they don't suit milk. So if milk doesn't suit you, just use coffee, yogurt, and honey as a face mask, and you will see. Oh, now Ifat Fatima is trying to join in. Oh God. Okay, she's coming now. Neelam Sheikh, Nazia Bhatt, Rumi Khan. Hello, hello, hello. So, especially green smoothie, yes, very good. So many people have told me that they have seen so much of difference, like bloating, constipation, dark circles, skin getting better. You know, it's very, very, that like these things people don't take it so seriously, because in the long run what results is what goes inside your body, which I have learned. Nazia Baralo, Assalamu alaikum. Which I have learned the hard way when I saw my pictures where being 72 kgs, and like was so embarrassed to look at myself, and I was like, I can't be like this, no. So, and I feel so much better now than I did so many years ago. And I would say, everyone should do one piece of exercise, at least one. I love running, fast running, but you can do cycling, anything. Yes, yes, अपना all time favorite smoothie है. Yes, we do it. We share it. And whoever wants to join BeautyFit, send me a message because Ikras, Sumru, hello, assalamu alaikum. We have already, it's been like just over a month. We have so many success stories. Like Husna, for example, was like so many, I will say, Safura, they have, I mean, Zinat auntie is not there. I'm missing her. Maybe, I don't know. So many. You want to join? Okay, after this, or someone can please share the link underneath my beauty fit, my beauty fit lovelies, beauties. It's wonderful. I mean, this group just started a month ago, and it's everyone is so positive, and all we are getting is positive results. And we are not okay. I want to talk about portion control now. Only after, only after I started this group, I realized there is something called portion control, which I had no idea. Okay, so for me, what is portion control? If you are eating normal, it's not portion control. But if you are eating more and then you are realizing you shouldn't, red, small pimples, skin is dry these days. Okay, so let me tell about portion control. So if you're not eating, if you know you are eating more than you should be eating, and then you reduce the quantity, I would not still call it portion control. For me, portion control is eating less than you require, which is, according to me, which is wrong. Not saying you lose weight, you will lose weight, but will you be healthy? According to me, no. I think Aisha Danish wants to join. She left me a voice message which I can't really hear now. She's in our Beauty Fit team group. Okay, all of a sudden you get a rash. It looks, maybe I'm not a doctor, but just my research. Maybe you have some heat allergy or dust allergy. I- if it comes, or yeah, I think it's small pimples. Yeah, it looks to me like, heat allergy or dust allergy, not energy. Okay, Nisa, Aisha, Siddiqui, Sana, Shoaib, hello, assalamu alaikum. So you have to see how it started. Arisha Meher, hello, assalamu alaikum. You have to see how, Nazia Bhatt, you have to see how it started. Is it because you used small pimples? This definitely looks like a heat allergy to me. So probably you need the ointment, Nisa. Hello. So cause hello, you missed it, but you can probably watch it later. Kosa wants to join. Hey, come on, come on. If you want to come add on to the video, come on. Sana Shoaib, hello. Go on, go on. Any questions? Just shoot. Okay, so I don't know if I'm looking funny or what. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just saying what I feel like. Ah. So yeah, I mean, so many lovely ladies in Beauty Fit team. They all are making it successful. They are supporting each other, and every morning I leave a morning message with some tips. So that's why they are here, and they already know, I think, most of the things I'm saying. Uh, okay, now maybe Zainab. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Okay, one more thing I would like to say. Comparatively, it's very easy to lose weight than to sustain. Why? That's because, firstly, you do it thinking that, it's a mission you have to accomplish, and then by the time you accomplish it, you're so tired that you just give up. Or maybe there are so many diet pills which I am extremely against. What it does is just, you know pushes your metabolism, more than it should do. Bring up the heart rate. Hello, Fareen Rani. Assalamu alaikum, Fareen. Want to talk? Thank you already. Oh, you didn't tell me. That's amazing, Kosa. You just joined like how many days ago? Like 1 week ago or 10 days? Oh my God, amazing. See, timing is so important. In my group, mostly what ladies are doing is eating healthy. They are not starving. Kainat, please help. Ifat Fatima is trying to join. Kainat, please help. Guys, you should have joined before now. Okay, please Kainat help. Ifat is trying to join. Aha, see Nazia, I'm right. It's the heat energy. I'm not a doctor, but I'm Munna by MBBS. but no, I've done a lot of research, so that's my experience and research. But Kausar, well done. So in my team, in my group, what we are doing is we are not starving, we are not controlling the quantity. What we are doing is eating healthy, eating sensible, eating on time. That's what we are doing. So anybody joins my group, ask me, so many ladies ask me, okay, you are telling me to eat all of this. How much should I eat? Nazia, how much should I eat? I say, eat as much as you want. As long as you eat right, because you have to have the energy. You just don't have to get thin. अपने को थोड़ा अच्छा भी दिखना है ना. I mean, that's a joke, but you have to be. Mhm. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you. So you have to see your overall health. When you starve and you lose weight, or when you lose weight with pills or crash diet in young age, probably it will work. But as you reach your 30s, mid 30s, you will end up having more deficiencies. So it's not good, and definitely you won't realize in your Hina Saeed, assalamu alaikum. You won't realize that in your early age, like same as your dark circles or pigmentation. Afsheen Khurram, hello, assalamu alaikum. Okay, Kainat, please help. Fatima is trying to join. Okay, so okay, which is the best sunscreen? I have Claudely, and oh my God, I forgot the name now. I will put it in the link. I have one more which is waterproof, and which is a spray, and also that is for sensitive skin. I really Walaikum salam, Abshir. I really like Claudely. It is yeah, and you don't the most important thing is you don't feel the Sugan Menon, hello, assalamu alaikum. uh, uh, Kainat, please help, please. Ifat, sorry, Fatima is trying to join, please help. Okay, so yeah, I will send the name of that one. Yes, I will do. I will do. In the and I will also my beauty fit beauties. Please share the link here, and I will do as well. Whoever wants to join our group, and they are most welcome to join. And I will help you with your lifestyle, skincare, hair care, and getting fit, sexy, and healthy. Okay. So yeah, I like Claudely because it doesn't leave the white residue on your face. It's very light. But you can use really any you want. Whatever you like, you can use. Nishat Fatima, I love you too. You all are so lovely. I mean, seriously, Beauty Fit family is like so close to my heart now. I mean, I don't have words. So much love. Afshan Blossoms. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Shall I give you some makeup tips? I'm not a foundation person, but I do like eye makeup. So I learned somewhere, but I do have like sometimes I do get dark circles, so I use sometime under eye concealer. Samya, Saima, assalamu alaikum. So if you don't need, if your skin is clean, you don't have to use foundation. um, and टिप ओके, वन टिप ओके, आप काजल लगाते हैं, आपका काजल फैल जाता है, उसके लिए मैं आपको टिप देती हूँ. सो आप काजल लगाते हैं, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू डू इज टेक अ डार्क कलर आई शेडो, dark brown or black, whatever you want. Walaikum salam, Saima. And then take the brush and tap it. Don't rub it. Tap it under your eye. So आपका काजल फैलेगा नहीं, because it will just lock the moisture in there. Okay, ये है. एंड और क्या क्वेश्चन है, आप पूछिए क्या क्वेश्चन है. एंड या always if you have normal skin and not acne prone or oily, use cream blusher. It will give a nice glow. I'm not a makeup artist. Oh, someone is Kainat, please help, someone is trying to join. Kainat, I think Kainat is, यार 3 बजे से बोला था ना, 3 बजे क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन किया. Anyway, you will have it, but yeah, Kainat, please help, someone is trying to join. Yeah, okay. So yeah, any tips, any questions, go on. Other thing I would like to say, like, I'm more, as my Beauty Fit family knows, I'm more into natural stuff. Okay, after this I will also tell you about chemical free hair color. Okay, remind me. So अभी मैं इतनी excited हूँ कि I'm forgetting. So like in the night, it's important, if you're using night cream, night balm. I like to use rosehip oil and jojoba oil, and you can maybe just when you're sitting before sleeping, massage it upwards, or you can get a jade roller from Amazon, any. And just nicely soak up. Okay, Husna, you were asking, in the morning your skin feels dry, okay, after washing your face. That does happen to everyone. As we are growing, the collagen production in our body reduces, जो जो अपने स्किन को इलास्टिसिटी देता है. जिया खान, हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. So the collagen that gives elasticity to our body, the production reduces. Preeti, love you. Neely, hello. So that's why probably, if you're working out, or if you're over 30, I would recommend take collagen powder. It will help with your joints. It will also help, instead of applying collagen on your face, take the supplements, not the supplement, like collagen powder is better. You can take the if you want the halal, I think it's the mineral one. I will also send the link for that. But you will see the difference, because our knees, joints, the जो हम जिसको गूदा बोलते हैं, as we age, that also reduces. So that's why we get the knee pain. That's why our skin, feels dry. So it's good to take the collagen powder, and slowly you will see the difference. If anything, anyway, if anything doesn't suit you, you should stop. Okay, so Husna, for your question, I would say, see what face wash you are using. If it's too strong, it is going to just take off the extra moisture. I would recommend, instead of that, just use like coconut oil, if that suits you. If that doesn't suit you, use almond oil. Okay, and instead of using the the cotton pads, use I've discovered this newly, it's available in Boots Face Halo. It's reusable and it's economical, and it does remove everything just with water. It's called Face Halo, HALO. So you can get that. I think it's also available on Amazon. I quite like that. It's reusable. So you just take like, I think, Husna, if you, Ambreen, hello, assalamu alaikum. Husna, if you use in the night, if you use the oils, or if you don't want to use the oil, I quite like the Decleo Neroli night balm. because when you use that in the night, when you wake up, your skin does feel quite hydrated and nourished. And then if you think your skin is clean, you don't really have to use the face wash every day. You don't have to. You just take some oil, whatever oil suits you, and clean it with that. If you think it makes it too dry, you don't have to use it every day. And there are many oil based cleanser. This will be recorded, I think so. No, I'm also like doing this for the first time, so I hope it does. I think so, है ना कायनात? Nadia Malik, Shazia, hello, assalamu alaikum. Yes, I think it should be there. And any more questions, my lovelies? Any exercises you want to ask? Uh, Anything? Yeah, or shall I just sign off? Okay, Yasmin Akhtar, still people still joining. Okay, I will answer one of the questions. Whatever is coming to my mind, I'm just answering. That like I had a question from a lady. She said her body is perfectly fine from everywhere, but it's the belly. What mine? Which lip color is the best? Okay, dull skin, lip color really depends on your skin type and what you're looking for. I really like nude lip color. Like I have a Dior nude one. I love it. Yeah, like MAC Runway Hit, for example. Saima, dull skin ke liye, I think you have to like firstly make sure you are hydrated well. Like in my Beauty Fit team, I recommend everyone to have green smoothies. It does make a difference to your skin. Okay, apart from that, as I said earlier, how to get, okay, I will see how to get rid of, okay. Um, Okay, so dull skin ke liye, as I said, Saima, you can use vitamin C serum. You can just use pure vitamin, like only vitamin. And if you want brightness, you can use any serum which has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Okay, in the morning and tap it. Okay, and after that, use your moisturizer, whatever you are using. Definitely use a sunscreen. Apart from that, you can, as I said, you can use the coffee powder scrub. Very good. Just mix coffee powder. If you suit milk, mix milk in it and sugar, honey. Leave it onto your face and then slowly with wet hands you rub it. Okay, and yeah, one more thing for like wrinkles and all of that. Which Korean mask, Husna? Wrinkles and all of that. Simple thing you can do. Take aloe vera gel and hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is very good for wrinkles and tightening the skin. Okay, and mix it. Face पर लगाकर छोड़ दीजिए. Uh, which Korean mask, Husna? I don't use anything from outside. मैं घर के ही मसाले अपने फेस पर लगाती हूँ और अपने बालों में लगाती हूँ. So, so I hardly get these things from outside. Okay, you okay? घर में rice flour is very good for like skin, getting a clear skin, brightening the skin. So just use rice flour with again milk, honey. It has the similar, yeah, it has the similar effect as you would with a coffee powder. Rice flour is very good. You can also mix rice flour with the rajma powder. Okay, and then mix with milk. और वो मास्क आप लगाइए. Very good for your face. Okay, Farheen Khan, hello, assalamu alaikum. And also for your hair. Okay, I don't personally use egg on my face. I don't know, I just don't feel like, but if you think you should use it, if you like it, because they all have omega-3, they all have nutrients in it. Filler or filter? Filler, okay. Um, well, okay. Oh, Zinat auntie is trying to join. Please help her. Please help her. Skynath, I'm sorry. Please. Um, See, I'm not into uh, these things. You have to really consult the specialist. Okay. If you want to have fillers, I wouldn't personally, because I'm like more into natural stuff. Everything that is natural is the best. Although you have to, talk to the specialist, check if that will suit, and look into the pros and cons of it. Okay. um, okay, and also, rice water is very good for hair and your face. John is here. Ah, thank you. Bata nahi. The house is quiet because my husband took my other two like for walk, and my 15-year-old has exams, so she's upstairs. So that's why एकदम सुकून और शांति है, अभी घर में मैं आराम से बैठी हूँ. So yeah, she has her mocks, GCSE mocks. बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, क्या करूँ, मुझे बड़े नहीं होना बस. Okay. so so rice water. When you soak rice, okay, उसका पानी, उससे आप बाल धोइए. Very good for your hair. Even put it in the spray bottle. Use it as a toner. It's very good for the skin. Okay. So these things, naturally there are so many things. Why I recommend? They are like, what happened was once, for years I used to Bakhtavar. Oh, only ladies allowed. Okay. Okay, for years I used to use Declare Night Balm, which is lovely, lovely. But then I started. Oh, Nida is trying to join. Please help her. Please help her. Please, Kainat. Sorry, आज पता नहीं. Okay. And what was I saying? Okay, I forgot. Oh my god. कितना absent minded हूँ मैं. Okay, rice. I think I was talking about rice flour. Please मुझे remind कर दो मैं क्या बोल रही थी, क्योंकि मैं ये भी पढ़ रही हूँ. Okay, so rice water is very good for your face and your hair. Okay, one more tip I will tell you. Okay, जब आप अपने बाल धोते हैं, because I have this habit, Anam Arif, I have this habit from the, I don't know, from my mother's. I've seen always my mom doing this. कि आप बाल धोने के बाद towel dried, like only today I'm without oil. Otherwise I'm always in oil. Always. So that's my habit. So बाल धोने के बाद towel dried में जब आप oil लगाते हैं ना, it absorbs very well in your hair. Try that, and it won't get so sticky as well. So I have this habit always, like it irritates me not to have oil in my hair. It's just habit. Oil and फिर छोटी हो गई, खत्म, काम खत्म. And then in my homeless look, that's my film. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जज़ाकल्लाह. और भी लंबे थे जब नेचुरल और ब्लैक थे. आई डोंट यूज स्ट्रेटनर, नेचुरली स्ट्रेट है, लेकिन और अच्छे थे, लंबे थे. बट हाईलाइट करा के काम खराब कर दिया. बट ओके, आई ट्राई टू लुक आफ्टर माई हेयर. आई ट्राई टू लुक आफ्टर मी. हाँ, सलमा आगा. सलमा आगा जी आ गई. अब तो गाना सुनना पड़ेगा. Someone is asking questions on beauty fit. Ask me here. God, is it क्या? If it's right to call you lady as you don't seem to be. अरे मेरी 15 साल की बेटी है. She is in year 11. Or I'm married for Alhamdulillah more than 19, not 19 years. Next year it will be 20 years. So yes, आप औरत बोलिए, कुछ भी बोलिए, हूँ तो मैं वही. तो निशा नूर, yes yes, बेचारी मेरी बेटी 15 years की है, 15 and a half now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Uh, Arre! Okay. Uh, I shouldn't be looking at the WhatsApp chat. इसको बंद कर देना चाहिए था ना, distract हो रहा है. Okay, I was saying कि लोगों कुछ एक lady का question था कि पूरा body, whole body, the hands and legs, everything is fine, just tummy. So when we obviously अभी कभी अपना after delivery or even C-section भी होता है, तो the belly is the last one to go. Unfortunately, that is the fact, and it only goes with exercise. Mm. So since I have started using weights, I also noticed क्या क्या पैदा होते ही शादी नहीं करी थी, जल्दी हो. ये वीडियो मुझे मम्मी को दिखाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं उनको हमेशा बोलती हूँ मम्मी इतनी जल्दी शादी कर दी, पता भी नहीं. अरे हाँ, गुड गुड गुड, यू रिमाइंडेड मी, केमिकल फ्री हेयर कलर. ओके, जल्दी शादी कर दी और ना पता भी नहीं चला कि शादी कब हो गई, क्योंकि मैं तैयार भी नहीं हुई थी ठीक से, मतलब बस हो गई, यू नो. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ अगले साल 20th ना जरा अच्छे से करूंगी, तो मेरे बच्चे भी देख लेंगे. तो हाँ, मैं टमी के लिए मैं कह रही थी कि वेट्स के साथ ना आई एम क्वाइट a big fan of कैसे बैठी हूँ मैं, quite a big fan of kettlebell. Okay, and then try planks, and even when you are sitting, you know, try the tummy exercises, push-ups, press-ups, all this will really help you. Okay, chemical free hair color. Okay, so no, you can joke with me, मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, you can tell me anything. So chemical free कम ऑन शाफिया, तो मुझे प्राइवेट चैट कर रही थी, यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आई, इतना 1 घंटा हो गया. Okay, so there are so many. What I like do now, अभी लॉकडाउन है तो बहुत टाइम से कुछ भी नहीं कराया. It's a good thing. कुछ भी नहीं कराया. So when I have highlights, which is like once in a 1.5 years or something, या कभी ज्यादा भी हो जाता है, तो when I do it, I only go to Aveda because I'm a big Aveda shampoo fan, because it's plant based shampoo. Okay, so I really like Aveda. I like Shea Moisture. These two are my favorite. Aveda I've been using from since like 19 years. It's really really good. You get the big bottle. It's expensive but lasts for ages, so it's eventually like similar price. So chemical free में obviously आपको देखना है कि आप अमोनिया फ्री जो है हेयर कलर यूज करिए. यूज द सेमी परमानेंट वन, like L'Oreal casting hai, Olia hai. Apart from that, if you want to use like, you know, at home, this is also from my mom. Um, uh, you have to use yeah, you can use henna. Okay, तो henna आप यूज करेंगे 2-3 weeks, once in a week. उसके बाद आप इंडिगो पाउडर लास्ट एप्लीकेशन के बाद यूज करिए. यूज इंडिगो पाउडर. व्हाट विल it will give you a nice, indigo powder is a plant based color. I think you can get it on Amazon. So you can use that after the last henna application will give you a nice black color. If you want like a brownish color, mix henna and indigo powder. I can maybe in my group send a like the combination. I didn't know if the lives about specific thing as I joined late. Anush, Anuba, hello, hello, hello. You can ask me anything about hair care, skin care, weight loss. I will say getting healthy, not weight loss. Okay. What about yes, this the same thing. Henna for mehendi for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, once in a week आप लगाइए, and after that, after the last application, use indigo powder. It will cover your white, your gray as well. It will do that. And if you want, like if you use only indigo, I think it's just going to give a tint of brown. And if you mix it with henna, I think it will give you a brownish kind of color. Okay. Okay, yeah. So Bakhtavar. I mean Bakhtavar. I am doubtful. Are you? I only ladies allowed. Okay. या फिर आप नाम इसमें अलग हो सकता है. Sorry, I'm only kidding. Um, so this is specifically for women lifestyle, getting healthy from inside, because that is what is Beauty Fit all about. Being healthy from within, because beauty comes from within. Beauty suggests open pores. Open pores again. मुझे ये प्रोफाइल पिक्चर पे डाउट हो रहा है. बख्तावर, please confirm. Kainat, I think Kainat makes all the checks, so I'll trust her. So okay, open pores may, like, again, you can use the face mask I have suggested. I'm joking. I'm sure Kainat knows, so I'm just kidding. Don't mind. I'm just kidding. Okay, so आप open pores, ओपन पोर्स के लिए आप आइस यूज कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर द स्क्रब आप प्लेन आइस भी फेस पर यूज करेंगे ना, वो आपके कहीं आप लेडी है, ये बात तो किडिंग नहीं कर रहे आप. तो आप जो प्लेन जो नॉर्मल आइस भी आप ना यूज करेंगे ना, तो उससे भी आपके ओपन पोर्स क्लोज होंगे और आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बेटर होगा. तो ये है. एंड देन देयर आर सो मेनी, लाइक कील्स का है, एंड नाम भूल रही हूँ मैं. Actually, I will maybe put it on my link on my group as well. Whoever wants to join Beauty Fit, we'll leave the link here. We have a Facebook page now, and I have a YouTube channel where there are videos related to, there are workout videos related to women problem issues, hormonal issues. So I have tried to bring in ladies who have like tackled and coped and sorted those issues. So yeah, I will probably, I think I can share the all the links underneath once hopefully the video is. No, no, no. I'm Bakhtavar. I am joking. I know you are a woman. I'm just joking. Don't mind, because I know Kainat. I trust her, so don't worry. I'm only Urva Jawad, Sara Doll are watching. Hello, hello, hello. और क्या पूछना है भाई, पूछिए. मैं शुरू में नर्वस हो रही थी, अभी कंफर्टेबल हो गई. अभी पता नहीं मैं कब तक बोलती रहूंगी, आप लोग बोर हो जाएंगे. हाँ, अनु बोल. एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? अभी रेडी होकर ना थोड़ा सा फोटो सेशन भी कर लिया था. ओके ओके ओके. अरे यार, डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए इंस्टेंट तो देख. I just, Husna, I just said the chemical free hair color. Dark circles के लिए again I will say, just grate potato and squeeze the juice. आप बेस्ट है उसके आइस क्यूब्स बना लीजिए और वो आइस क्यूब्स लगाइए. और the other way is dip, a cotton pad, cut it into half, dip it in the juice और आप आँख के नीचे रखिए. Every day, do it every day. You will see the difference. Because and apart from that, okay, apart from that, remember, sleeping on time. Because I see that. मैं भूत बन जाती हूँ अगर किसी रात को ठीक से नहीं सोया, दूसरे दिन ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है. So it's very very important to sleep on time, eat on time, eat healthy. Don't think about the quantity, think about the quality. When the quality is good, you can eat as much as you want. Green smoothies are the best. ग्रीन स्मूदीज के हम फैन हैं. हमारा ब्यूटी फिट टीम जो है, हम लोग रोज 2 बार स्मूदीज पीते हैं. वी ऑल आर रॉकिंग. ओके, आप चिया सीड्स लीजिए, केल, कैरेट, बीट रूट्स, क्यूकम्बर, स्पिनच, सेलरी गिव्स यू अमेजिंग हाइड्रेशन. ओके, सो आप जो भी यूज करिए. अरे यार अनु, मैं पहले तो नर्वस हो रही थी, एक बार स्टार्ट होके कट गया, समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो क्या रहा है. फिर है ना प्यास भी लग रही थी तो पानी भी रख लिया. नाउ मैं कंफर्टेबल होगी. शल मैं रोज लाइव जा सकती हूँ? नहीं. ओके. सो यार इसलिए ही हो रहा है. Okay, where I am from. Guess where I am from. I am from everywhere actually. I was born in Abu Dhabi. I lived in Abu Dhabi. Uh, then I moved to Hyderabad. My dad's originally from there, India. Okay, and did my schooling there. फिर कॉलेज किया. जैसे ही जवान हुई माँ ने मेरी शादी कर दी. अभी क्या करूं? बहुत कॉमेडी हो रही है अभी. ओके, सो एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस कि मैं बाय बाय करूं? But Anu, try to sleep. I know it's difficult with a little one. Try to get his routine, you know, दिन में ना सोने दे और रात में सो. I know यार, it's not easy with a little one to sleep on time. Mehak Junaid is watching. Hello. So Yasmin after. Yeah, any more questions? We have been like more than almost 1 hour now. पता भी नहीं चला, आप लोग बोर भी नहीं हुए. That's amazing. अच्छा चलो, मुझे लगा सब लोग बोर हो जाएंगे मेरे से. और कुछ? और कुछ? And shall I just sign off? Yeah? Everyone wants to say bye? Any more questions? Any more questions? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then I will sign off. Do join BeautyFit if you want a healthy lifestyle. Thank you. And you will see so many of them are already having positive results. They are working hard. You should think diet is not a crash course. It shouldn't be a add on to your life. It should be a part of your life. It should be. Now it's been like 14 years. 14 years I haven't had, like, I don't eat carbs Monday to Friday. Like, even if I do, I don't eat after 5. I will link my, not link my leave, but leave my link. Leave my link here. You can join, and we have. Thank you, Anu. Thank you. So, see you again. Please give your feedback. I think this will be safe because I want to send it to my mom as well. Uh, yes, my next live will be on BeautyFit Facebook page. And thank you, Kainat. Thank you for this. Have a lovely evening. You all were lovely. Any last questions, just tell me, or I am signing off. Bye. Good night.